Archaeological authorities have recently unveiled groundbreaking discoveries, including a jade and stone artifact workshop dating back over 3,400 years at the legendary Sanxingdui Ruins site. Discovered in the late 1920s in the city of Guanghan, southwest China's Sichuan province, the Sanxingdui Ruins have been dubbed as one of the world's greatest archaeological finds of the 20th century. Covering an area of 12 square kilometers, the ruins are believed to be the remnants of the Shu Kingdom, dating back some 4,500 to 3,000 years. To date, more than 60,000 cultural relics have been unearthed at Sanxingdui. The Provincial Cultural Relics and Archaeology Research Institute said on Tuesday that since 2022, over 400 sites have been identified, including high-level building foundations, ash pits, ash ditches, and stone artifacts production and processing sites at Sanxingdui. More than 4,000 artifacts, including pottery, jadeware, and stoneware, have been unearthed. Among the notable new finds is a jade and stone artifact processing site, revealing the source of the previously discovered cultural relics there. Located approximately 1 kilometer north of the previously unearthed sacrificial pits, this latest discovery marks significant progress in the archaeological excavation at Sanxingdui, the research institute said, noting that the archaeologists have preliminarily identified this site as a jade and stone production workshop. The newly found artifacts include raw jade and stone materials, waste materials, fragments, and finished pieces, suggesting a relatively complete chain of handicrafts.
2022年的这个年度开始，我们就在这个地方进行考古发掘，一直到2024年的上半年，我们就发现了一系列的与玉石器生产加工相关的遗存，包括成堆的石料，有小型的玛瑙籽料，也有大块的石料。这是三星堆遗址发现的第一个手工业作坊。